that's the way by which we can control and calm our mind. I mean, that's what I wanted to ask. Because
Sure, sure.
I
That we will come to that.
see that,
Definitely.
yeah. So I just wanted to ask.
Very, very good. Very, very correct. Very correct contribution from your side, Devesh. Actually, our mind is connected to our hormones. That is another thing, which is it is connected to Annamay Kosh. Hormone is a Annamay Kosh. Any chemical, biochemical in the body. See, as soon as you get sensitized, hypersensitive in front of your boss, your partial adrenaline will be flowing. As a result of it, oh my god, if I don't say proper words, what will happen? I don't know, my collar is not right. Okay, oh, it's just there is no button, or this something will come and you will get hypersensitive because your ripples are negative. Okay, in the mind. So your type of mind which is responsible for expression will get actually a kind of malaise, a kind of spoil, and as a result of it you will get controlled by that mind. As a result of it you will get controlled, your organs will get controlled by that. Furthermore, how organs will get controlled? Because your hormones are getting controlled by that. So as a result of it you will find that you are possessed by something which is not under your own control. So the best example is all types of phobia. All types of phobia. Some phobias are protections. Okay. Say phobia of water. Very normal phobia of water to a kid is a protection if the kid doesn't know about the swimming. But at the same time, phobia of seeing a water even, that is actually hydrophobia. Right? So all phobias, they are also connected to hormones. Number two, they are connected to mind. Claustrophobia, the phobia of closed space, you'll find, and this is there with many people. Claustrophobia. Why? Why? The reason is they feel that because of this closed space, it may happen that it actually eats me, or it will actually grab me in such a way that I will die. Fear of death. It is said very clearly in the fear definition by one of the psychologists. It is the worst imagination of mind. See, mind would not have even 1% importance if it would have not any effect on our thoughts, feeling, and body. These three things. That's why willing, feeling, and thinking, these three things are controlled by mind, and finally body. And that's why if mind is good, people, you will find that many people are there, they have unnecessary glowing face. They are just always smiling, unnecessary glowing face, because their mind doesn't have any ripple. Sometimes they have, but very less time. So it is not only that a good exercise or good food, but also the ripples. Shadripu. If the shadripus are not there, these six shadripus, those six things, six evils are not there, then definitely mind get calm. There are two more evils, and these evil are nowadays more predominant than these six shadripus. That is Vyadhi and Ahar. These are the two more evil. Vyadhi what means? Disease. It can be disease, can be body disease, it can be mind disease, or it can be even you have a kind of phobia or social disease. Okay, so if any disease is there, or any variation from your normal personality or normal health of your mind, body, and your social, then that causes a disease, and this disease will actually spoil the mind. right? If I have a pain, for example, in my hand, I cannot talk legibly, I cannot talk peacefully, right? So disease is one thing. 60% of its root lies in ahar. Ahar is your diet. So your mind is affected by your ahar. Your body is affected. Your diseases are caused by uh, your food, that is ahar, food. So it is said that the food intake should be sattvic. It should be the food should not be uh, uh, tamasic or rajasic. It should be sattvic. So these three characteristic or trigun, what you can say, tamasic means which will cause lethargy. Okay, rajasic which may cause excess of, for example, excess of anxiety. Okay, and sattvic which will cause calmness, coolness, but not lethargy. Okay, so generally it is said that vegetarian food is much more sattvic than the non-vegetarian food for a human being. Okay, for a human being again. So food plays an important role. So these are the 6 plus 2, 8 things which actually is a reason what we have come to reason for our uh, mind or Manomay Kosha disturbance or mind cell or mind sheath disturbance. This is the reason.